Class 10 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter is 15, that is the surface area and volume of solids. Exercise 5. Let us start what will be in your exercise. First of all, example 12. A vessel in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is given as 14 centimeter. That means this diameter is given as 14 centimeter. Now the radius is 7 centimeter, which is here. This is the radius. Now the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. So that is the 13. So here is the 7. So you can say it is the 7 centimeter. So rest part is 6 centimeter, and that is the height of the cylinder. And it is the radius of the cylinder as well as the radius of hemisphere. Now find the area of the iron sheet needed to make this container and volume of the vessel. Let us start total surface area. So TSA, that means area of curved surface area of cylinder, that is the 2 pi RH, and the curved surface area of hemisphere, that is the 2 pi R square. Now here 2 pi R is common, so H is plus R is here. So 2 pi is 22 upon 7, R is given as 7, it is here 7. And here is H is 6 centimeter, so you have to write 6, and plus R is 7. So 7 cancel with 7, so we get 44 into 7 and 6, that is the 13. Now multiply to this, we get the answer. It is 572 centimeter square. So that one is the first answer. Now come to the second. Now find the volume. Volume is equal to the volume of cylinder, that is the pi R square H, and plus volume of hemisphere, that is the 2 by 3 pi R cube. Now you can see here, it is the, you can write here 3 by 3, or you can say pi R square is common. So we get here H plus 2 by 3 of R. Now put the value, pi is 22 upon 7, R is 7, so 7 into 7, H is given as 6, and plus 2 by 3, R is given as 7. Now we can calculate it, 7 cancel to this one, so 7 to the 14 and 7 to the 14 and 1 15. And here we can take the LCM, that is the 3, 3 6 the 18, and 2 7 the 14. Now we can add it, this one, so it is 154 into 8 and 4, that is the 12, and 1 and 1 2 and 1 3, so upon 3, so you can multiply to this and get the answer. It is 1642.67 centimeter cube. So that one is the answer. Exercise 5 and the question number first. So let us start in figure 39. It is given as 39 figure. The object is made of two solids. One is cube and a hemisphere. The base of hemisphere figure is a cube with age of 5 centimeters. And the hemisphere fixed on the top has a diameter of 4.2 centimeters. So we can find the radius. It is the 4.2 divided by 2. It is the cube and the side is A. So A is 5 centimeters. You have to write A is equal to 5 centimeters. And the diameter is given as 4.2. So you can write the radius. It is 4.2 divided by 2. That is 2.1 centimeter. Now find the total surface area. So how can find the total surface area? You have to see here. You can write here total surface area. That is the whole surface area of the cube, that is the 6a square, and plus there is the hemisphere, it is the 2 pi square, और 1 pi r square जो है नीचे जो है ये भी लेस हो जाएगा, ये pi r square लेस कर देंगे, so only pi r square will be added. Now put the value 6 into a is 5 and it is whole square, and here is pi is 22 upon 7 and it is the 2.1 into 2.1. So let us see how can do the 7 3 just, so 0.3 is here. Now you can multiply 6 into 25 and plus it is 22 into 0.3 into 2.1. Let us do what will be happen in this. Six into 25, that is the 150, and plus 22 into 0.3 into 2.1. So it becomes 13.86. Now you can add this. It is 163.86 centimeter square, and that one is your answer. Now come to the next question. A toy has two parts. One part is cone shaped, so you can make one part is cone shaped. That is the cone. You have to see this one is the cone. Yes, cone shaped, and has the radius 5 centimeter. Its radius is 5 centimeter. This one, it is R. That is the 5 centimeter. And it is placed on the top of the hemisphere having similar radius. So here is the hemisphere. So you can see here it is the hemisphere. Similar radius is 5 centimeter. Now total height is 17 centimeter. So this height is given as 17 centimeter. So this one you can write here 17 centimeter. Yes. Now it is 5 centimeter. You have to see it is 5 centimeter. So rest of the part is 12 centimeter. So you can write here it is 12 centimeter. So that is the height of the cone. So you can write the h is cone height is 12 centimeter, because 12 and 5 that is the 17 centimeter. Find the total surface area. So first of all we can find the slant height of the cone. So L is equal to R square plus H square and square root. R is given as 5, so 5 square plus H is 12 square and the square root. So it is 25 and here is 144. It becomes 169 and that is 13 centimeter. Now total surface area. Total surface area of the figure is TSA. So you have to know this in the 2 pi r square, that is the hemisphere, and the pi r l, that is the cone. So you can put the value, that is the pi r is common, so you can say 2r plus l. Now put the value, pi is 22 upon 7 and r is given as 5 and here is 2 into 5 and l is 13. So you can put this value. So here is 22 upon 7, 5, and you can see here 5 to the 10 and 13. It is 23. 5 to the 10 and 13, that is the 23. Now you can calculate it and get the answer. If we are taking 22 upon 7 as a pi, so it is 5 to the 15 and 5 to the 10 and 1 11. So that is the your TSA will be equal to 115 centimeter square. If you want to put the value of pi, that is pi is the 3.14. So you can multiply it to this one and get the answer. Three six 1.1 centimeter square. So you can write कोई सा भी आंसर लिख दीजिए, ये लिख दीजिए आंसर, चाहे ये आंसर लिख दीजिए, इट्स योर चॉइस. So you can, both answers are correct. Now come to the question number 3. A solid is in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere. With the both their radii being the equal is 1 centimeter. So you can say it is, the figure is like this. It is a cone and whose base is circular and one hemisphere is here. A solid is in the shape of cone standing on the hemisphere, in both their radii being the 1 centimeter. So their radius is given as 1 centimeter. It is the r, so it is 1 centimeter. The height of the cone is equal to the radius. So height h of the cone, that is, it is also given as 1 centimeter. So that one is the h. Find the volume of the solid in the term of pi. Pi के term में हमें इसका volume find करना है. So you can see here, volume is equal to, first of all, 1/3 of pi r square h. That is the cone, and the 2/3 of pi r cube. That is the sphere. Hemisphere का ये volume होगा और ये cone का volume होगा. अब put कर देनी है value. So 1/3 pi r is 1. So 1 square h is also 1. And it is 2/3 pi and 1 cube. So we get it is the pi by 3 and plus 2 pi by 3. So that one is the 3 pi by 3. So 3 cancel out. So we get pi centimeter cube. And that one is your answer. Question number 4. A spherical glass vessel has cylindrical neck. Spherical glass, so you have to form like this. It is looking like this. Hemisphere is here and cylinder is here. This type. Now the measurement, neck which has 4 centimeter long and 2 centimeter in diameter. Neck is 2 centimeter diameter and 4 centimeter long. So it is the 4 centimeter and neck is, that is the 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part. The spherical part vessel is looking like this one. So diameter of this one, that is given as, the diameter of the spherical part is 6 centimeter. So you can write the radius of this one is 3 centimeter. This one is 3 centimeter. Now find out the volume of water which can be held in this. So first of all, we can find the, once again, neck is 4 centimeter long and 2 centimeter diameter. So it is the diameter, so you can find the radius. Radius is 1 centimeter. And this radius is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeters. So volume of water is equal to volume of cylinder, that is the pi r square h, and volume of sphere, that is the 4/3 pi r cube. So it is R1, it is R2. So R2 is here and R1 is here. So you can put the value. Now pi is common and we get R1 square h plus 4/3 R2 cube. Now put the value. So pi is here. R1, you can say it is 1. So 1 square into h1, it is 4 plus 4/3. It is pi is common. And R2 is given as 3. So it is the 3 cube. So you can say pi, it is 4 plus 4/3 into 3 cube, that is the 27. So 3 9 ja. So pi here is 4 plus 9 4 ja 36, and here is the pi into, it is the 40 pi. So you can say 40 pi. Now put the value of pi and get the answer. So your answer is 40 pi centimeter cube. Now come to the last question of this one, fifth question. The upper portion of the greenhouse. It is given as greenhouse. shown in the figure 40 is semicircular. This greenhouse is made up of cloth. It has a wooden door that is the size is 1.2 meter into 0.5 meter. Find the area of cloth required to cover the greenhouse completely. Now come to the see this one, how can do this. So here is the one door is given, so that means door पर जो है कपड़ा नहीं लगेगा, बाकी सब जगह कपड़ा लगेगा, लेकिन इसके रूफ पर भी नहीं कपड़ा लगेगा, ये कर्व सरफेस एरिया पे कपड़ा लगेगा। तो सिलेंडर का आएगा इसमें और ये सिर्फ फट जाएगा। तो चलते हैं पहले फोर वॉल्स का निकालते हैं। तो सबसे पहले एरिया ऑफ क्लोथ निकालना चाह रहे हैं हम। एरिया ऑफ क्लोथ, तो हाउ कैन से, तो फोर वॉल्स लेंगे, तो फोर वॉल्स के लिए फॉर्मूला लगता है 2 आ जाएगा और L प्लस बी आ जाएगा और इंटू एच हो जाएगा, प्लस कर्व सरफेस एरिया इसका लेना है, तो आधा होगा कर्व सरफेस एरिया, दैट इज द पाई आर एच, तो 2 पाई आर एच होता है। और दोनों तरफ एक एक करके यहाँ पर ये जो क्या होगा, ये सर्कल बना होता है, एक सर्कल यहाँ होगा और एक सर्कल यहाँ, मिला के पूरा सर्कल हो जाएगा, दैट इज द पाई आर स्क्वायर। अब ये सारा हमें इसके अंदर रखना है और इसमें से माइनस जो करना है, जो दी हुई है डोर की लेंथ, इसको आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा, यानी कि 1.2 इंटू 0.5 को माइनस करना पड़ेगा। चलिए देखते हैं कैसे करना है इसको। 2 होगी, लेंथ देखो जरा 3 है, तो यू हैव टू राइट 3 प्लस 5 इज ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज 2.5, so it is 2.5 plus pi is 22/7. So first of all we can say pi is only pi r. How can find the r? So you can say it is 3 meters, so it is r is 3 meters, so that is the 3 by 2 meters. So you can write here it is 3 by 2 and h is, so h is this one, so that is the h, so you can write the 5. R is h is 5 and plus pi r square, so pi we can say that one pi r is 3 by 2, so it is 3 by 2 whole square and minus 5 4 ja in 12 5 ja 60 and point कितने के बाद पॉइंट लगेगा, it is 0.60 आएगा, so it is 0.6, you can write this one, it is not here. Now multiply to this one, so 5 or 3 8 8 to just 16 into 2.5 and plus it is how can say 5 3 is 15 and by 2, that is the 7.5 pi, plus here 3 3 is 9 and divided by 4, so how much, it is 3 3 is 9 and divided by 4, so it becomes 2.25 pi and minus 0.60. So once again you can multiply this one, this one is your 40 and now pi is that is this one is the, how can say, now add them, so after adding we get this one, this and this, that is the 9.75 pi and minus is, this one is minus 0.60. Now put the value of pi, so 40 plus 9.75 and it is 3.14 minus 0.60. Now do this one, 40 plus multiply to this one, so it becomes 30.615 minus 0.6. Now add and subtract this one, so what will be happen in this, It is 70.015 that is centimeter square and that one is your answer. ये एक्सरसाइज यहीं समाप्त हो रही है। नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे और कम से मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे और इसमें मेरे क्वेश्चनों के बारे में जरूर बताएंगे कि ये क्वेश्चन गलत है या सही है, तो कम से कम कमेंट्स में देंगे, इससे मेरे को पता चलेगा कि क्वेश्चन के आंसर जैसे बुक में दिए वैसे ही हैं या सही में ऐसे ही हैं। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज का एक्सरसाइज यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ।